We begin with 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner with the president's lawsuit being tossed out in Michigan. And Jim, no word yet on an appeal. Take us through the ruling and what it means for the election. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, Glenda. The Trump claims included that ballots came into the city here after the election, but they were still counted. The judge ruling the lawsuit came in late, 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. The counting is over. Too late to give them the relief they were seeking that Trump challengers wanted to watch that counting.
There's absolutely not been any real evidence of any substantial violation, fraud, or any misuse of this process.
The judge held a virtual hearing that included Trump attorneys before tossing out their case. One claimed that some ballots came in here in the Detroit Counting Center yesterday after the election and were still counted. This picture evidence was presented that the date on the ballots was recorded as coming in Monday before the election. The claim in an affidavit coming from an election worker, but hearsay.
And that human being told her that someone else told that poll worker to alter a date.
A person suing with Trump is Eric Ostergren, who claims he was a credentialed challenger from Roscommon County and couldn't do that job. But no more specifics given to the judge.
Was at some point in time removed from the counting process. The circumstances unknown.
The Trump team wanted to view videotapes as surveillance cameras required by state law to focus on ballot drop boxes set up after October the 1st. But no allegations of trouble presented. The judge ruling viewing of video by challengers is not in the state law, not a required duty of the Secretary of State.
Basically no real substantive claims that were attested to with regard to any statutory or constitutional violations. They were just sort of thrown up against the wall kind of arguments, I thought.
So still no word on an appeal, but Trump may not be done. What are his legal options? We'll have that for you next hour at 6. Dave, Glenda, back to you.
Another interesting day in the process that's so important to this country. Jim, thank you for the live report.